Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love exploring new places.
What's your favorite country you've visited?
I really enjoyed visiting Japan.
How often do you travel?
I try to travel at least once a year.
Do you prefer traveling alone or with others?
I prefer traveling with friends, but solo trips are fun too.
What was your last trip?
My last trip was to Italy.
What's your dream destination?
I've always wanted to visit Australia.
How do you usually book your trips?
I use online travel websites to book my trips.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I love relaxing on the beach.
Do you prefer cities or nature destinations?
I enjoy both, but am more drawn to nature.
What's the longest trip you've taken?
I spent 3 weeks traveling around Europe.
Do you like road trips?
Yes, road trips are one of my favorite ways to travel.
How do you prepare for a trip?
I plan my itinerary, pack my bags, and make sure I have all the essentials.